Hello friends, welcome. In this video quickly I will show you how to easily convert the PDF files to Google Sheet, so basically to Excel files. So I just recommend using an online service like for example this one or this one to easily upload your files and convert them into the necessary format. So let's just type in PDF to Google Sheets, open this first link. As you can see, you can select or drop a PDF file. Let me do that. Alright, I have dropped my PDF file. As you can see, it's very small, just a little bit of text in there. And guys, as you can see, you just press on Convert Excel. It will convert it, of course, very quickly, and now you can download it. And as you can see, now you successfully have your file converted to a .xlsx file. And now you can successfully open it in your basically Excel table and spreadsheet. So guys, enjoy the video. If this helps, of course, like the video and subscribe. This helps us a lot. And thanks for watching.